blast from the past. This one's called White Noise.